Just see them. Here we use some tags as usually you use in particular HTML coding or JavaScript coding. Okay. So here the title is background image properties, and let's start with the background properties. So here we go with the body attribute and just try to find out the effect of this particular property. Firstly, we use the style property here, style attribute, and we just type here background image. Just type here background image. And after that, use the colon to assign the value and just type here what? Here you have to type here color. You can go with the color or you can just type here conic. Just type here repeat dash conic dash gradient. Repeat gradient conic. Right, and start the bracket. And here you have to
Yes,
just
sir.
assign the value. So just type here red color or just type here 10% red, giving a space to separate the particular two values, and just type your red and use comma and just again just type 10% and give the another color that is yellow, and again just use comma and just type here. Just keep in mind whenever you just start with the next value you have to just give after this value. Okay, so here we just type here 5% and we just take the gap of 5-degree angle, that's why we just using here 10-degree, right? And then we use 15-degree and just type another color that is green, and let's start to find out the output. So save this and move on the resulting screen by using this and click on here and see there. When you press F5, there's some mistake, so move on the another coding screen and just do the proper coding. Repeat gradient conic. Use your repeat conic gradient. Right. And
Yes, sir.
let's find out the result. And press F5. There's some mistake, so move on again here. Use here again script and close this tab. And use here variable a is equal to parse int and use prompt. And ask the value from the user, enter your value. Right. And if you want to just print out the square cube of the particular inserted value, so you use here variable b is equal to a into a. Right, use the semicolon,
Yes,
and
sir.
we use variable c is equal to a into a into a. And after that, just place your cursor here and just use your document dot write ln and use your what, the square of given number, the square of given number is plus b, and again use plus and insert the another content, again use double import and type here tag and close this and plus, use the plus button and just type here the cube of given number is plus c and close this bracket and save it. After saving it, just let's check the result. Just move on the resulting screen and press F5. Just see there, a box is coming here, just type value, just type 5 or 6
Yes, sir.
and click on OK. Just see there, you will get the particular number square and cube of the given number, right? If you want to just find out the table of this particular value, just go with that, and you want to just print out the table of this, so we have to use your for loop. Just go with the for loop and use your variable t is equal to 0 and use semicolon as a separator and this type D is less than or equal to 10,
Yes, sir.
A into 10, right? And use your D is equal to T plus A and close it, and again use your document dot write ln and use your the value of B. Close this bracket, use semicolon, and again document dot write ln and use your br tag and close it and use semicolon and close the for loop here. And if you want to just insert some message here, you can go with the document dot write ln. Here is the given number table, right? And close it and close here again. And you just insert the br tag here for what? Line 2. Document dot write ln and use here br tag and use the semicolon here again. And similarly, just go with the next line and use here again document dot write ln and br tag and close this tag and use semicolon and save this by using Ctrl plus S and again move on where resulting a screen and click on OK and just find out the result. Just click on this. It is asking us the value. Just type here 10 and press enter the serial. You will get the
Yes, sir.
10 and you will get the square and cube of this as well, right? Understood? Clear? If you want to just show
Yes, sir.
table in the form of proper way, so you have to modify your coding again. Just move on here and place some values here, just like this. Just use the variable f is equal to 0. Here we initialize the f variable by 0. And we want to just increment the particular value one by one. So we use here f plus plus. So we use here f plus plus to increment the f value 1, 2, 3. But how many times? 10 times, right?
Yes, sir.
Here all the coding here. So just type here a plus, use your x symbol for the multiplication sign, and again plus, and use your f, and again plus, and double in quotes, use equal to, and like this, and again last plus, and just save this, and let's check the result. And press F5. It's asking for the value, just press 15 and click on enter. You will get the value like this. Here's some mistakes that this is the multiplication order is not proper. So we have to start this value from -1. You can go with that. So we have to change here the value. Just go with that. We have to initialize here
Yes, sir.
by -1, or you can -1, like right, and just save it. And let's start with the coding. Just click on this and check the output. And type here 15 the serial. Now it is proper, right? It is coming
Yes,
in
sir.
proper manner. Understood? Clearly,
Yes, sir.
to centralize this, you have to use the center tag within the particular command. So use here only start the center tag, but wherever you want, just type your center, right? And close this center tag here, or you can close this center tag at the last. You can use your document.write ln and close this center tag at the last like this and just save this. And after saving, let's check the result. Here we just change here like this. We just add this line here, right? And we add a center tag here in this section. I'll just save this and move on the resulting screen and press F5. F5. Check the coding again. Document.write ln.
Yes, sir.
Save this. And let's find out the output. We have to close here like this manner. And again, just press here. Document.write ln and double code and slash and center. Close this tag and close the bracket and save and move on the screen and press F5 and asking the value, just type 12 and press enter. Just see that all the content coming at the center position, right? Just try to do that. Okay, so here that you can just change the heading of this, because here we learn different things, so we just change the heading here. Just close this
Yes, sir.
heading and type here what? Looping and increment operators.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Use of looping and increment operators. So here we use here what? I plus plus or F plus plus. This is the increment operator, right? Let's check the result. Just click on this and press here. Move on the screen, resulting screen.
Yes, sir.
And press F5 and just type here 11 and press enter. You will get all the things. And here, use of looping and increment operator. Right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Read out there.
No, sir.